Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take a closer look at the latest gadgets and accessories to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're diving into the 4-pack tightening nut with 4-button lock replacement from Eldraqth. A versatile mounting accessory designed to help you secure screens, phone mounts, backup cameras, and more in your vehicle. This kit comes with 4 mounting brackets, 4 nuts, and 4 locking clips, giving you a complete set that covers both replacement and spare needs without requiring any additional parts. The design focuses on compatibility and ease of use, with a 17mm diameter ball joint and a 4-button interface that allows for seamless conversion between different mount types. This makes it compatible with mainstream air vent clips, swivel mounts, and various other mounting products available on the market. One of the standout features of this accessory is its wide compatibility. Whether you're mounting a car phone holder, a tablet, a CarPlay screen ranging from 6 to 11 inches, or a backup camera, this set aims to resolve common interface issues and give you the flexibility to connect multiple devices. Its simple installation process doesn't require complex tools, which means you can quickly secure your devices while keeping them stable during your drive. Constructed from ABS material, these brackets are lightweight, weighing just over an ounce per piece, and packaged conveniently in a small bag for easy storage. The overall packaging dimensions are compact, making it a straightforward addition to your car accessory kit. Each component is designed to provide a secure connection, enhancing the stability of your mounted devices and ensuring they stay in place even on bumpy roads. Whether you're replacing old mounts or expanding your setup with additional devices, this 4-pack tightening nut with 4-button lock replacement is intended to provide a practical, reliable solution for everyday driving needs. Its thoughtful design and wide-ranging compatibility make it a handy accessory for anyone looking to improve the mounting and stability of their in-car devices. So, if you've been struggling with incompatible mounts or just want to upgrade your car setup for easier device attachment, this kit could be a solid option to consider. That's it for today's review here on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns and hands-on reviews.